we're heading over to Big Thunder here. That's a good one.
The layout seemed different on that one, yeah? I don't remember any other ones being like that.
こちらからお知らせするまで座ったままでお待ちください。こちらからお知らせするまで座ったままでお待ちください。Now please stand seated.
Alright, so we just got off Big Thunder Mountain Railroad here at Tokyo Disneyland, and yet again, this was a ride we did not get on the last time that we were here. We didn't have premier access, there weren't any available to buy, and the line was like so long.
Yeah, I think right now it's like almost 2 hours long.
Yes.
The lines get crazy here.
Which is probably what it was last time we were here, and we were like, screw it, we've ridden Big Thunder. However, now that we've ridden it, I feel differently because it is different. The layout is completely different than the other ones. It seems maybe a little bit shorter.
I think it's similar, but I could be wrong. I mean, we definitely have video of it, but I think it's very similar.
But there is a lot to look at on this one, like a lot of fun things to look at, and it's just a fun ride. So we did actually, because we had the vacation package, use one of our premier access passes to get on there and basically walk right on. So,
yeah.
That part was good, but it was a lot of fun, and so if you're here, I do recommend riding it.
Yeah,
because the layout's a little different.
It's different, yeah.
Yeah, so it's fun and it's different, so it's worth doing.